I'm going to show you guys how I do my lashes using these Fadlash Lash Clusters. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is pick out your sizes. I'm going to be doing 2 14s. So it has the little numbers here, but I'm going to be doing 2 14s, a 12, 10, and an 8. Okay, so here's a 14. I'm just going to set that down on my desk. So I just put my lashes on this thing, but from my view, it's going to go, like these are going to go on the outside and this will go on the inside. So I'm going to do my right eye first. So before I put the actual lashes on with these little clusters, I like to put some extra glue on it. So with the bond and seal that they send you in the kit, you can just go ahead if you want. This is optional. Get the piece and put some on the end, and I just like to do that before I curl my lashes and stuff to let it get a little bit tacky. But I'm going to be using this Kiss strip lash adhesive, and I'm just going to put a little bit on the lashes. Okay, so I put the adhesive on there. So now while that's sitting, I'm going to go ahead and get a spoolie and brush out my lashes, and then get a lash curler and just curl them. And then once they're curled, brush them again. After that, I'm going to go ahead and get the bond and seal, open the bond side. I start on the bottom of my lash line and put a layer there. And I know not everyone does this, but I like to put glue on like all of my lash. Some people just like to put it on the bottom, but I like to put it on the whole thing. So now that we have, oh, where's my lash? Now that we have all the glue on there, I'm going to go ahead and grab my very outside piece. I start with the outside. Some people start with the inside, but you're just going to want to place it right where your lashes start, right at the very edge, and then you can kind of push it on there. And so now I'm going to grab my next piece. So I'm going to overlap it a little bit, but still put it right on my lash line. And then the next piece, I'm just going to do the same thing. Now you're just going to repeat that with all the lashes. Okay, now that I have all the lash pieces on there, I'm just going to go ahead and brush it through. And also just use my finger to push it in onto the lashes. Okay, now I'm going to repeat the same exact thing that I did on this side, on this side. Okay, I just finished this eye. You go ahead and get the seal, and I just like to put it, the line along here. So I'm all done. That's the tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I just absolutely love these lashes. They're so voluminous and just so beautiful. So yeah, if you guys want to go check these out, it'll be linked right here also. But yeah, I hope you liked this tutorial, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.